Hello everybody, this is Zerika Selectro. In this particular tutorial, I'm gonna show you one important thing, how to connect, how to mirror my phone to my computer, or how to connect my computer screen to my phone or to my tablet. It is a very easy question. So in this particular tutorial, I'm gonna take you one particular application which is designed for both Windows version, for Mac version, and which is designed for the Android as well as for the Apple iPhone products. So now the tutorial is how to connect your phone screen to your computer. So the first thing is first you have to know. First thing is check the EasyCast application. EasyCast application, which is a very known for mirroring devices, two different devices in one screen. So the first thing is downloading that EasyCast software or EasyCast application in your phone as well as in your computer. And the second thing is once you download that and install, installation is the same for Windows as well as for Android. The third thing is make sure you have the same internet connection because this kind of processing needs in a similar IP address. The IP address where you connected in your phone is must be the same with the IP address you connected in your computer. So one is you make sure for that thing. The last step is connect that two applications together and enjoying with the existing one. So technically it looks like first of all in your computer go to uh, Microsoft Store. You know, in Microsoft Store, there are a lot of official applications which is freely delivered to you. So you have to search at the top of search menu here. So EasyCast. Yeah. So this one, EasyCast, is the one I'm gonna show you in this particular video. So for my case, I was already installed that thing. If for you are the first time user for this application, you have to see an option, download option here. So here a downloading option is available here. So you have to click on that particular application. What I'm doing here, so let me click in here. You will see get, you see get. So click on get. Get means you have to receive, you have to download this application in your window as well as in your Mac. So once you finish the downloading process, you have to install. Automatically, it starts installation once it's finished downloading process. So once you do that, you have to go open. So for my case, just it was opened, and this is my computer name. So for you, it is similar. Your computer is like desktop CAA. It may display that in your screen. It is a Mac. It will display the Mac version, whatever it is. So it's looking for similar devices. So similar device in your computer. It's looking for the internet connection as well as it's looking for similar devices which is near to your computer. So now my computer was looking for the internet connection as well as for similar devices nearby. So my phone was not ready. So I will show you the phone process. Go to your phone, and in your phone, yes, sorry, this one is. an emoji. Yeah, it's entertainment and it is a promotion. So you can see from here everything what I'm looking in my phone screen is. Look at here. This one is the phone screen. You know the phone screen is already displayed in. Look at here, which is similar. Look, so which is similarly, yeah, similarly mirrored to the Windows screen. So look at here, you have to search everything what you need. Let me go to Google. Or let me go to, yeah, yes, this one is searching. So I'm gonna search for EasyCast. Look at here, this one is the EasyCast mirroring device. So you can see from here you have to install EasyCast for your computer. So EasyCast for computer is available in Google Play, and which is again similar and available in your, so call it in your Android and Mac product. So in such a way you can share whatever it is from your computer to your phone, and similarly you have to share from your phone to your computer. So this is all about what I have today for you. So thank you to being with me. If you are new for this particular channel, don't forget like, subscribe, and put your idea, comments, and unclear thing as the description below. Thank you to being with me. God bless you. See you with another tips and tricks in this particular channel. Bye bye.